Hey, what's up everybody? So today we're taking a look at the brand new Ridgid 18 volt 1-inch SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer. It's the brushless octane version. Easily. Let's get the review started. We've done all kind of Ridgid octane tool reviews on this channel. This is no different. Pretty awesome. We're going to use a 9.0 battery. This thing is pretty powerful. I'm going to show you exactly what happened earlier today. So I had a little bit of patchwork in my driveway that I had to fix. I was going to town kicking butt. Yeah, get it done. Get it done. Get it done. And all of a sudden I heard a strange rumbling noise. What could that be? Yeah, that's not good. That's not good either. Too much power. I shouldn't have used the 9.0. Now what's nice about this is all you have to do to go to the 3 different modes is simply turn this handle by pushing in that little orange button and turning. You got the chisel, you got the drill, and you got the rotary hammer. Now all you got to do to select between them, turn this knob here. You got a little button you need to press in, and then you can turn it back and forth just like so. Real easy to do. And then you got your safety right here. Now just like on a lot of the other Ridgid tools, you got the adjustable handle. Really simple to take on, take off, and adjust. All you got to do is loosen it up, swing it around, tighten it back up again. That belt tightens down. It's ready to go. Now another really nice thing I like is the adjustable depth adjustment here. All you got to do is push that button down, adjust it to where you want it to be, let go of that lock, and it'll stay right where you need it to. I will put a link in the description below for the tool. It's a tool only, not for the battery, but we are using the 9.0. Now if you haven't seen our review on the octane batteries, take a look at that. I'll put a card up for you, but we're going to go through some concrete. The SDS bit, super simple to install. All you got to do is push her in, it locks down. If I want to take it out, all I got to do is pull back, pops right out. Literally takes not even a second to do. Very, very easy. Alright, we're going to put this on regular drill mode and go through a treated 4x4. Real nice and easy. Hardly any vibration on that. I'll talk to you here in a little bit about that. But let's go through some concrete. We're going to use the hammer drill mode. Alright, now I was pushing down on that really hard, and I will say that I noticed a little bit of a bog down. I usually don't notice that in the octane tools, but let's try it again. Now even though I can tell there's a little bit of a bog when I'm putting all my weight on it, it's still going through like nothing. No issues at all trying to get through that concrete, and that's about 4 inches thick. Alright, let's do a few more. Alright, so as far as it goes with going down through concrete, no issues. Like I said, there's a little bit of a bog down, but nothing that it doesn't power through. And I am putting all of my weight on that just to see if it would do that. Again, really easy to get those SDS bits out, really easy to adjust. From the chisel to the drill to the hammer motion and all that. So all you gotta do is push that button, turn the knob, and then you can choose what function you need. Now you do have a variable speed trigger on this, so you do have a little bit more control using this tool. Now the one thing I can tell Ridgid took into consideration was vibration. When you have it on your basic drill mode, you don't feel anything even when you're going through the material. So absolutely no vibration during that mode. But even when you have the hammering motion on, check this out, the XRV anti-vibration they put right here, like a rubber gasket, that actually takes that vibration and absorbs it, so you're not getting it into your hands and arms. And I also really like the adjustable handle on this. Now without the battery in this, you're looking at only about 6.97 pounds, so really not heavy at all. Works with all of the Ridgid 18 volt batteries, but to get the most out of this tool, you definitely want to use the octane battery. Now you also have a pretty bright LED light on the bottom here. You can turn it on by either pressing the trigger, or it has an independent designated trigger that turns that light on. Now the RPM on this, 1,250 RPMs. It's brushless and it's keyless, and you also get the lifetime service agreement with this. By far one of the coolest things I find on this is the anti-vibration technology that they use. This is really going to help cut down on the ergonomic stressors you might face on the job. And not to mention it has an internal clutch, so if you do bind this up, it will lessen the torque so you don't have to worry about ripping your arm off. It feels very solid in the hands, it's not heavy, it does the job very well. I definitely recommend it. So if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, check us out at toolreviewzone.com. We'll be back with more videos soon.